Welcome to your very own Tarla Dalal's kitchen. I, Chef Payal, today will be showing you a pakoda recipe for this monsoon season, and it's called Palak Pakora. So now let's begin by making this Palak Pakora. For that I'm going to take lots of spinach. Make sure you wash it well and drain it. To this we'll add some finely chopped onions to give that nice crunch, green chillies, some chilli powder, asafoetida or hing, turmeric powder. All ingredients that are used in this recipe are easily available. Some rice flour to give that crispiness, some besan, baking soda, salt, and just little water. And now we are going to mix this very well. Because you've washed your palak, the palak is going to be little wet, so you won't need too much of water. But if you need, you can always adjust 1-2 tablespoons here and there. Make sure you mix it really well as I'm doing it. And you can see it has been mixed well, so let's quickly deep fry them. So I've put the oil to heat and it's nice and hot, so let's deep fry a few pakoras at a time. Make sure before you deep fry the pakoras, your tea is also ready, because tea and pakoras is a perfect combination. When it's monsoon and it's raining outside, you want to eat some hot pakoras, right? So make this recipe. I'm sure your family will love it. Yes, so we're going to deep fry like these. Keep turning them in between and wait till they're nice and crispy. We don't like those soft pakoras, like we like that crunchiness. You can see they've already turned light brown, but you're going to wait for some time to get that crispiness. Yes, so our first batch of pakoras is ready. Let's drain them on an absorbent paper. And in the same way, we're going to deep fry some more. So our second batch has also been deep fried and is ready. Let's drain it. So now all we have to do is quickly serve it. So our crispy, crunchy palak pakoras are ready. I'm going to be serving with some tomato ketchup and chutney, and of course a hot cup of chai. But before that, I'm going to taste one. I like my pakoras more with tomato ketchup. So when there's heavy rainfall outside and you want to just chill and relax at home but eat something at the same time, do make this recipe in your kitchens, and don't forget to let us know how you all enjoyed it. Till then, goodbye.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com.